In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history on Vinted. If you've bought or sold something and want to confirm the status, see tracking details, or revisit past purchases, your order history is the place to go. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives and what you can do there, so you always know what's happening with your items. Start by opening your browser and going to Vinted.com. Give the page a second to load. If anything looks off, a quick refresh usually helps. Vinted works best on a modern browser, so Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge are good choices. You can follow along on a computer, and the flow is very similar on mobile, but I'll demonstrate using the website. Once the home page is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may appear as your avatar or a small person-shaped icon. Click that to open your account menu. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in first. Go ahead and do that, then click the profile icon again to reveal the menu. In the drop-down, select My Orders. This takes you to a dedicated page that lists your activity. Here, you'll typically see separate sections or tabs for purchases and sales, so you can quickly switch between items you've bought and items you've sold. Each entry will show the item title or photo, the date, the price, and the current status, such as in transit, delivered, or completed. Clicking into an individual order opens the full details. This is where you'll find the tracking number or shipping updates, the conversation with the other party, and any relevant timestamps. If a parcel is on the way, you can follow its progress here. If it's delivered, you'll see the completion status and any confirmation messages. For sellers, this page will also show when the buyer confirmed delivery and when your payout is due or released. If you've made a lot of transactions, scroll to load more past orders. Can't see something you expect? Make sure you're in the right tab for buying versus selling, and double check you're signed into the correct account. If a page doesn't load properly, refresh the browser or try again in a different one. A quick reminder, your order pages can contain personal and shipping information. If you share screenshots for support, blur sensitive details for privacy. And that's it. Go to Vinted.com, open your profile menu at the top right, and select My Orders to review everything in one place. Pause the video and try it now, and you'll always know where your items stand.